What's going on, y'all? Long time no see. Long time no see. I said I wasn't gonna do this too often anymore. If you've noticed, I've gotten away from the gossip, but I just had to hop in today and do a shut up bullshit report because there's some stuff going on a few blogs that's kind of annoying me. There's a time and a place for everything, and I see that a lot of you people have no standards. For all of y'all that posted them pictures of Gary Coleman dead and the chick up in the back, like, you know what I mean? Y'all wrong for that. Wrong for that. Where's your morals? Where's your integrity? Like, yo, that's somebody's son, family. Like, y'all are crazy, out of order. The other thing is the Alicia Keys pictures. Everybody talking about her skin and stuff. Like, for real? Really? Y'all talking about her face? I would love for a lot of you to step from behind those keyboards or in front of your doggone camera, because y'all see me, I'm in your face like what? I don't care. But everybody's sitting there talking about her like, is she supposed to walk around in full stage makeup all day, every day? The woman's happy. Y'all just be nitpicking and trying to find something to do because you're not happy with your lives. Damn, people. There's too much stuff going on for this pettiness. But, you know, check out the blogs, man. I'm back on my blogging thing. You know, for a minute I got kind of sideswiped, but I ain't doing nothing but shut up for the next 60 days. And I got a lot of big stuff coming up. So y'all stay tuned. There's a lot of blogs on the site. I'm going to be posting up more videos. Oh, part 2 of that hip-hop concert. And it gets serious tomorrow. I'm going to put it up either tonight or tomorrow. I just posted some Farrakhan stuff. You all check that out. Y'all remember that blog I said the CIA tapes about the conversation between Farrakhan and Barack? So y'all think I be trying to give y'all the secrets on the low without giving it up. You know what I'm saying? But now Farrakhan's talking about it in the open. So y'all read my blog again if you haven't read it, and then watch the video, and then y'all see that, man, I'm telling you. Let me get out of here. I gotta go meet up with Game. He's in the ATL on a little publicity run. He's on everybody's show. He's everywhere. Yeah. So I'm going to talk to him, and you know I'm going to ask him questions nobody else is going to, because that's just how I do stuff, because ain't nothing about me like nobody else. So with that being said, I'm out, and I might do a shut up report tomorrow. I got to think of a topic though, because I ain't really doing the gossip too much. So y'all have a good day. Bye.